Welcome to another video of integration with substitutions. The question is the integral of 1 over x plus 2 into square root of x minus 1. Here the substitution is u equals square root of x minus 1. Upon differentiation, we get du over dx equals 1 over 2 times square root of x minus 1. It can be written as 2 times du equals dx over square root of x minus 1. In order to write x plus 2 in terms of u, first u squared can be written as x minus 1. Then adding 3 to both sides will give u squared plus 3 equals x plus 2. Now, the integral can be written in terms of u replacing x plus 2 and dx over square root of x minus 1. Afterwards, 2 can be taken out of the integral and it can be written as du over u squared plus square root of 3 squared. The answer can be written as 2 into 1 over square root of 3 into tan inverse u over square root of 3. Finally, the variable needs to be changed from u to x by replacing u with square root of x minus 1.